Hi there, this is Elwin Molenaar from Dutch metal band Martyr. I've just recently started using the Collision Drumsticks. It's all new for me, but I gotta say, really enjoy them for the past few weeks that I've got them now. I use well, there they are, the Collision 5AR, the 5A Reach. Love the grip they provide. Just the fact that they are slightly longer than your regular drumsticks is fantastic, and the width of them is just they're right in between the regular 5A and 5Bs, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. So I can highly recommend these sticks. Very durable. As I said, I've been playing for them for a few weeks now, and they're still great, still looking good, not much damage. Normally it's the sticks are a whole lot worse off. I'm kind of a heavy hitter. I know I haven't got the right technique how to do it all, but these sticks, they last. That's it.
There's no victory without sacrifice, no progress without compromise. We will feast on your flesh, and we feed on your fear. Punishment is severe. Our aim is to persevere. We can lose one battle, but win this metal war!
Going battle to the metal in our devil's land. Hold my fist up high, everybody raise your voice. We are thunder and lightning, alive invades the score. Wake up and die, we'll find you in a mission. I'm gonna take you to a higher ground. For the weak on howling ground, higher ground. Warning signs, hunt you down where you are. Will you save your soul? We're into a metal war. I wanna take it to the max without a limit. By the fire of rebellion you shall burn. I'm fighting hard to win this battle, taking out a soul. With our hearts on fire, everybody screams out loud. I'm gonna take it to a higher ground. For a week on howling ground, higher ground. Warning sound.